We like to sing our version of Blue Roses.
Her lips and the dress, they're both ruby reds. She thinks that's how you hide the pain you feel inside. She comes out every night to soak up the neon light. Her perfume fills the air. People stop and stare, but blue roses looking for the moon in someone's eyes. Blue roses willing to believe in someone's life. Chance, you might be your only chance. She needs someone to hold when the night is growing low. And if you don't mind the thorns, she'll take you in and keep you warm, lying in the dark in the bed of broken hearts. Blue roses looking for the moon in someone's eyes. Blue roses willing to believe in someone.